How to watch TikTok in full screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Help Deck, and in today's guide video I'll show you how you can watch TikTok and view them in the full screen mode. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in TikTok, go ahead and simply either download or update the TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've updated TikTok, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So let me just go ahead and play this random video. For example, if I play this random video, you can see some of the captions in it. Now what you could do is, if you want to view in full screen, the very first thing you could do is simply tap on the arrow icon on the bottom right of the screen. Over here, the very first thing you can do is you can simply turn off captions. When you turn off captions, if they've added any captions to this video, that particular caption will be turned off. And this could give you a much more clearer view, but then you can still see the username and the tag, the hashtag, the sounds, and so on. And let's say you want to get rid of that as well. What happens is that when you tap on the arrow icon, in most cases, some people would be able to see the view in full screen mode option. If you long press on it, you'd be able to see view in full screen mode, but many people are missing that option. In that case, you can tap on the arrow icon, and then you can simply tap on this button which says save video. So I'm going to basically tap on the save video button right over here, and once done, I'm going to simply go ahead and check back on my Photos app whether the video has been saved or not. And as you can see right over here, the video has been successfully saved, and you can see all of the captions and so on has been removed. And this is how you can view TikTok in full screen. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.